grocery strip also. Behind the notebooks you have cardboards. You can cut them into the same size, and you can apply Fevicol here, and you can stick the paper on the cardboard, so that you have this white sheet. You can stick chart paper on that, or you can stick any white paper, any thick white paper. You can even, if you have mount board, you can cut. Mount board is usually white in color. You can cut the mount board of the same size. Okay, so let us start coloring, so that we will be able to move bit fast. And then I have cut a few. I'm going to do to the paper appliques. Okay, so in the same paper I have cut petals like this for the flowers. So some 10 petals I have cut. You can make any shape for your petals for the flowers. We are going to concentrate on paper applique today, paper patchwork. So we are making patches in this paper, and this we are going to attach on the greeting card for decoration. So these are I have cut 10 petals for the flowers. So you can cut oval petals. I want oval petals. If you want pointed, you can make like this. But since the leaf also I have cut leaves like this. So you can also cut whichever shape you want for leaves, you can cut. So I have cut 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves we want. 4 leaves I have cut. And I have cut about 10 petals for the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we have cut the flowers 10 petals and the leaves 10 petals. Now basically first we have to color the base coat. So fast we'll do the base coat coloring for all these strips, so that they will dry up, and then we'll color the flowers and the leaves and keep them ready, and then only we'll start doing the other work. Okay. So okay, the angle is properly set. I hope all of you are able to see. So we have set the angle here, and I'll start working now. So flowers and all I prefer to do metallic colors for the flowers. So we have pink color for the flower we'll use, and green for the leaves we are going to use, so that my project looks little nice. And we have this yeah. Okay. So coloring is very simple. Just take the color. You can use any color, but metallic colors will give a rich look to your project. So that's why I am using Paul Metallic Pink. Okay. So just paint it and keep them for drying. So today's project is going to be very easy, simple, but yet very attractive, and really a different type. So this greeting card, throughout the whole year you can hang it in your house, and we are going to write some good wordings. So it will be like every time whenever you look at the calendar, since it is a hanging calendar, so it's a hanging project, wall hanging. So whenever you look at that, you read the wordings and you feel happy. Whoever has sent you the wishes, you will feel happy. You will remember that person and you will feel happy. So basically we are creating a hanging greeting card, so which you can hang it on your wall. Usually the greeting cards are sent in envelopes and you can't hang them, but this time the concept is a hanging greeting card, so that when you hang it on your wall, all the wishes what you send to your friends and relatives and others on this new year, whenever they look at that hanging greeting card, they remember you and they feel happy. Okay. So I am just coloring all the petals now for fatafat. We'll move fast because lot of coloring and lot of attaching and assembling we have to do. So for that reason, You can color any color. I am using pearl metallic. Suppose if you have purple, you can use purple metallic color. You can use yellow. You can use orange. Any color you can use of your choice. Okay. So we just finished coloring the petals here. So since it is a greeting card, it should be very beautiful, and you should feel very happy when you look at that. It should be very colorful. So keeping all those things in mind, we are working. So always remember to wash your brush when you are working with another color, so that your finishing comes nice. Now I am using metallic green and coloring my leaves all metallic green. So no, I have not received yesterday's video. All the videos are lying there because couple of them, they have requested us to keep the videos for another 2 days and then remove them, because they want to go through the videos and make the project. So for that reason, we have not removed the videos, because we want all of you to have a look at the video and submit your projects. So basically, whenever we conduct a session like this, we expect people, those who are having a look at the videos or those who are viewing the videos, we expect them to submit their project also. Thank you K. Nagarwali Rao for watching us. Thank you Yashashri ma'am. How are you Yashashri ma'am? I hope you are keeping fine. You must be on holidays now, ma'am. Having holidays now, school holidays. So that's why we have not deleted the videos, since a lot of you people have asked. So we have not deleted the videos. So we want all of you to have a look at the videos and submit the projects. So those who are submitting all the 3 projects on 5th evening, we will create the link, and the link will be posted to your in your personal WhatsApp, and all of you can download the certificates, e-certificate there for the projects. Okay. So we have to now color the. So once again I am telling you the strips. We have cut 4 leaves like this, and I have colored the leaves here. And we have cut, for the flowers, I have cut 10 petals like this in handmade paper, and I have colored them with pink metallic color. Now we have strips here. I have total 7 strips I have cut in handmade paper. 4 strips are 4 strips are of size, 4 of them are of size, the width is 2.5 inches and the length is 10 inches. So 10 inches by 2.5 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this one, 3 strips of 2 inches by 8 inches. So total 7 strips you need to make this hanging greeting card. Okay. So total 7 strips you will be need to for this hanging greeting card. So here it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Total 7. Now we will color this very colorful, so that whatever we write on that, it is you can write with either black color, or you can write with white color, so that it is visible. So what we are going to do, the writings, the greeting card wordings, we are going to write in white color. So that's why we are preferring the background to be different color and very colorful, each strips with one color. So you can do shading in the color, or you can put single color. It's totally up to you, whichever way you want. Okay, so there is no hard and fast rule for that. You can, our acrylic colors are mixable. You can mix any color and create new colors in this. So what basically I am going to do, first I am color with the base colors whatever I am having here, and then I will go to, and then I will mix the colors and create some new colors. Okay, this green is dull, I am not using. I want to use very bright colors. So yellow will also do, but when I am working with this yellow, I will mix little orange in this, so that I get a brighter yellow, golden yellow. Okay, so since it is a wall hanging, try to make it very colorful and very bright. Okay, so let's start the 1 minute. So here it is. Don't mix water in the color. Slightly water you mix, so that your brush moves nicely in the paper. Otherwise, no need of mixing water in the color. Try to color it so that it color it nicely, so that you don't see the white layer of your paper. Your paper should be covered nicely. No white layer should be visible. So try to color always in one direction. When you color in one direction, you get smoothness in your work. Your work has a smooth finishing. So just slightly mix water. Don't mix too much water, so that you are able to spread the color on the paper. This paper is handmade paper, is slightly stiff, so it does not wash, absorb water like chart paper and all. So that's why we have asked you to use handmade paper, and the strength in the paper is more. So color it nicely, and then spread in one direction like this, so that your color spread nicely and you get a smooth finishing. Okay. Thank you, Deepa Reddy, for joining. I hope all of you are fine and all of you are in a new year mood. So color each and every strips like this and keep it for drying. So see that, spread the color nicely, horizontal left and right, and see that you get a uniform finishing. So color all the 7 strips and keep it for drying. So might be shall we mix little with white in this, so that I get a slightly lighter color. Yeah, the smaller one I will do by mixing little white. So bigger strips, what I'll do, big 4 to 5. Oh no. We can mix little green in this, so you get blue-green color. So you can mix the color and create the colors. Yeah. So this is a peacock green color. Just mix blue and green. You will get a peacock green color, and you can color it. So when you are working with one color, in that color bottle you mix another color and try to create simultaneously another color, and try to finish all the things. So you don't need to wash, at least 2 you can paint, and then you can wash your brush for a new color. Okay. So you can also use mound board, as I told you. If you're not having handmade paper, go for mound board, or go for you can use mound board, or you can even use what we say that cardboard, notebook cardboard. That notebook cardboard can be cut in the same size and covered with white chart paper, and you can work on that. Okay. So now we are going to do green. Let me get another paper so that we are able to, the thing doesn't get dirty. So here we are. So we'll go for this another one, green now, fatafat. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so green we have finished. So then we are going to do another color. Let's go for do remember to wash your brush when you put another color. So here's red. It looks very bright and it stands out. If you want little shading, you can do shading, but then I think if you make it solid color and you do some work on that, it stands out more. If you do some shading also. Yesterday we have done shading and created the background. So if you want to create shading, you can do shading also. That is not an, if you want, you can do it. But we think that if you keep it on the solid base, you write anything, any wordings, they stand out more than any other place. Okay. So now let's make, we have this, yeah. So after red, we are having this yellow here. So we are putting this yellow color here. So don't mix water in the color. Use the color directly. So your finishing will come nice. We want very bright colors. So don't mix water. For that reason, don't mix water in your colors. Use your colors directly. Okay. So we are left with 2 more. And then here we are. So 2 more strips we are left with. One we are going to take the pink, another we are going to take the orange. Okay. So these colors, when you are working with your colors, as soon as you finish your work, please close your bottles, because these colors, they dry up fast. For that reason, we ask you, after you finish your work, close your bottles. I think Renu, you have some internet problem. Our picture quality and the voice and audio, everything is very, very clear. Simultaneously, we are watching it on another mobile also. So you should log in and log out from your phone. Then it will be okay, I think so. Okay. Okay. So here we are. Okay. So one more strips we have done in bright orange color. And then we have another one more strips. So that's all it will be. So done. And this is also. So here it is done. So all the strips we have to keep for drying, and in the meantime we'll plan what we are going to write on the strips. Then only we will start writing. So it has to dry up. Until and unless it will dry up, we cannot do. Okay. So yeah. So let them all dry up. In the meantime, in the golden paper, we are going to cut some roses, metallic roses. So we'll show you how to cut some metallic roses, and then only we'll be able to fix all these off. And we have one more. The starting, we have to take a border where we are going to write. These are for the messages, but top we want a broader paper. So we'll get a broader paper. Might be the size will be the same, but it will be little more broader. So where we can write Happy New Year, New Year. Let this New Year 2021 bring happiness, joy, something. So let us plan what we are going to write, so that it will be easy for you to write on each strips. So big words you can write on big strips, and small words you can write on small strips. Okay. So you can write, let this year 2021 bring joy, happiness. So we'll write it down in a piece of paper so that it will be comfortable for us. Okay. So let the year 2021. B. So you can write joyful, bring, 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 prosperity, so any word you can write. Seven words, 6 words we have to write, because I have created 7 panels only. So one panel will have, let this year 2021 bring, or be, whatever you want to mention, bring happiness, prosperity, success, hope, joy. So whatever you feel like writing to your friend or relatives, so you can go and write, like prosperity, happiness, success, hopes, new hope, joy, togetherness, unity, whatever you want to write. So that way you have to write. Okay. So this area, yeah. Now I am using satin ribbon. You can use satin ribbon, or you can also use what we say. So let's start with the blue color. The blue color we have already finished before. So let me write in the blue color. So we'll write up in the, first you can write with pencil, and then you can either write with 3D or you can write with paint, whichever you are comfortable. So you can write, let this year 2021 bring ample. So then you go on writing whatever you want. So I basically have a 3D outliner. I prefer to write with white color. This one I write with 3D, and the other things we are going to write with whatever it is. So and the other I'll write in white. I want this to be highlighted, or you can use white 3D also. Yeah, we have white 3D also. If you are not comfortable with paint, you can write with white 3D. So few I will write with 3D and few I will write with paint. Okay. So you can write in freehand handwriting. With the 3D, it is easy to write. So any calligraphy, handwriting, capital letter, small letter, whichever letter you are comfortable, you can write. So, New Year 2021. So, once again you can write on this and you can make it more thicker. So, you can make it more bold. Okay. So, that's what I am doing it. So the concept is there, whatever you are writing, we will create into one wall hanging, so that can be taken to the wall of your friends and relatives or to your own house also. So whenever you look at the greeting card, you remember that person and you rejoice the wishes made by him or her. Usually people give us a greeting card, what we'll do after some days, we'll put them back in some drawers and we'll forget about it. But if it is a wall hanging, you hang it on the wall and every time you remember that person and every time you feel happy. Okay, so let this new year bring ample, I have written. So you can create an arrow here like this. And suppose you want to attach some design here. So with the 3D you can make some flowers. Okay, so that your design look more nice. So we'll show you how it has come, so you people can have a look. Okay, so here we have written it here. I think we have to change it. Thank you Komal for joining. Thank you Soma for joining. All of you are late today. Very, very late. I think I'll show you in the selfie mode, then only you, the other mode, the camera mode, then only it will show you correctly. So just finish the, hello Komal, thank you for joining. Hello Kanak, hello Soma, thank you for joining. So basically let this new year bring ample, and after that we are going to write, I have written let this new year 2021 bring ample, till there I have written, and then the rest I am going to write now. Okay. So I am going to use 3D outliner because it is very easy, comfortable to write. You can use with 3D outliner, you can use paint, you can use white paint, you can use black paint, whatever you want. Okay. So the next word is coming to be used. We have already used the big strip, so we are going to write the next word in the small strip. So the small strips, here it is. So go for a smaller word in the small strip. Let this new year 2021 bring you ample success. Write here success. Okay. So we wrote here success. Freehand handwriting, calligraphy, whatever you want you do, it's all up to you. Next one, we have to write in a bigger strip. So the bigger strips will have bigger words and smaller strip will have smaller words. We have two different types of strips here. So here we can write prosperity. So how thick you want your letters to be? Suppose if you want it more thick, you can again on top of this you can write again, so that you get a little thicker outline. Okay. And I am going to use, as I told you initially, I am using handmade paper. You can use mount board or anything, whatever you want. Okay, done. Prosperity I finished. So 3 more strips I have to write, and then I will arrange everything and show you how it has to be done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is one more strip? It's fallen down. Yeah, here it is. Togetherness. T. Okay, so whatever wishes you want, you can write, and see the 3D dries up nicely because it's very difficult to dry. 3D takes time little to dry, and then we have 2 strips, small strips here. So we finished off with success. In the small strips we'll write hope and joy. Happiness will come here, and hope and joy. So it is very easy to write with 3D. So that's why we are using 3D, because many people are not comfortable in writing with paint and brush. If you are comfortable with paint and brush, you can go for paint and brush also. Okay. Okay. So other is joyful, and the last one we are going to write. So that will be basically happiness. Happiness we finished. Yes, happiness is left. Ma'am, what kind of color paper you have used? Today, Soma, I have used white paper, and I have colored them with the Fevicryl Hobby Ideas colors. I didn't use just a normal handmade white paper I have used, and I have colored the leaves with metallic green, and I have colored the petals of the flower with metallic pink, and I have colored all the white paper with our acrylic colors. We have lot of, with the sunflower kit, we have lot of colors here in the sunflower kit, and I have colored them with our acrylic colors. See, it is white behind, this side we have colored them. Okay. Okay. So now the 3D has not yet dried, but very carefully I will just arrange and show you. So rest all will be because the 3D takes time to dry. Now for the hanging, what you can do, you can take a for the hanging purpose, we have to take, you can use a rope or whatever you want. Either use a rope or a satin ribbon and create a loop like this, two-way loop. You have to do like this. You can use jute thread also. So the jute thread also, and take 2 strips like this. So might be this will be like 1 meter, 2 meter strips. Okay. In the 2 meter strips, we have to So take a 2 meter strips and I'll arrange and make little space here so that my things they don't get damaged. I'm going to remove all these colors from here. These are the colors what I have used today for coloring the strips Soma. So let me make some space in the table here so that I can arrange and show you how you are supposed to arrange it. Okay, now so this table is about 1 meter. So I am going to take 2 meters. Yeah, I have taken 2 meters. So take 2 meter strips like this and keep them like this, and from down you start placing. So 4 strips are big one. The 1 minute. Yeah. So this is basically the down. So what I will do? Yeah. So place the strip like this in the, and this side it will be little. I'll show you. Yeah. Okay. So from down I am placing the strips. What you can do? Put little glue on the ribbon and place your strips. Okay. Now keep 2 finger distance, 2 to 3 finger distance, and place your second strips. This strip should be a longer one. Okay. So I am not pressing a lot because my 3D has not yet dried. I need to wait for some time. And then again same distance you keep, 3 finger, and put another strip. Why we are telling? Because when we work with kids we have to tell them that put your finger and measure it and keep this strip in the center. This strip should be in the center of the, okay. Next strip, again you can keep 3 fingers gap and put the next strip. So this here it has to come. Okay, bigger one has to go down, I think so. Yeah, we have to end with bigger one. So we need to end with the bigger one. 1 minute. Yeah. Because 4 we have, we are having 4 strip bigger one. So you have to end with the bigger one. Okay. So slightly while arranging we have made a mistake. Keep that in mind. Since 7 strips are there, 4 are big and 4 are big and 3 are small, so you have to arrange it like that. If you keep 4 small and 3 big, then you start with small. Okay? So, here it comes, happiness. Now, slowly we will pull them up so that I can put 2 more strips there, and see that all the strips are in straight line. They are not crooked. Okay? And they are in the center of the thing. So here we come to the next one. Again 3, you keep your same gap between the strips and you place this one. And the final is your this strip. Happy New Year strips. Let this New Year 2021 bring you ample. So let this New Year 2021 bring ample, joyful, happiness, hopes, togetherness, success, prosperity. Now you are left with these flowers. We have made some flowers and we want to